Kia ora na, I'm Julie Taripo and welcome to my channel, Moments in Time. I'm quite new to YouTube, so I'm giving it a go. I have a Facebook page called Moments in Time, and I thought I'll try my hand at YouTube. So basically, I set up this YouTube channel to showcase the Cook Islands living, anything from family events, my children, work, or islands that I visit, or historical sites in the Cook Islands. So it's going to be a mishmash of everything about living in Rarotonga, about living in the other islands in the Cook Islands. Hopefully you join me on this journey. We're going to have fun together. You get to see all sorts of different things. We'll have fun together, you know. And just like this area you see behind me, this is that there is Black Rock. So it's quite a historical site here on Rarotonga, the main island, the Cook Islands, and has very spiritual significance. So those are just some of the things you will find on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Here in the Cook Islands. So kia ora na, i kia manuia ka kite.